Cluckingham Palace. At work, men at work here. Supervised by yours truly, me. Yes. Oh yes, and the Asda Garden gnome. Cluckingham Palace, Pulford, with the dahlias, custard and cream variety. Ah yes, well, it's not sunny enough for the solar fountain, and the dinosaurs are still out. This is all basil and thyme and herbs and rosemary and lavender. This is purple sage. That's a beauty. And this here is a man at work called Dylan. You can't swear on this video. You are on a video, monsieur. Yes, men at work. I'm just filming Cluckingham Palace workmen. That is a jasmine. Yes, well, yes, he wants to cut that. Oh, no, we can't have that. No, quack, 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 cluck, cluck, cluck. Right. Men at work, men at work. This is for the album. Well, we're going to excuse you riding the...
Will we be able to move
just go to the end of the road. There's a drain at the end of the road. Oh, yeah.
What do you want to do? Want me to move the bike?
Oh, no, it's all right to be able to go down there and spot that one.
Yeah, a drain at the end.
A drain. Ah, yes, a drain. Oh, where's your fancy...
Oh, we haven't done one today.
Oh, I took him a picture yesterday. Yes. Look at the neatness. Yeah, you can judge a workman by the tidiness of his work. They even try and sweep my house before leaving, and I had to stop them. I mean, you know. Yes, well, I don't want too much cleared off the floors, do I? Right. Yes, come and see. They're plastering at the moment. They've done my ceilings over the fireboard ceilings, and just look at the beauty of that. Just look at that. That's a CCTV camera to watch if I have any rats or lost cats. But yes, well, I mean, you know, I don't know how to work it, of course, but it's all constantly recording. Yes, all this electrics rewiring was done by Harvey's Electrics of Flint, Baggilt. Harvey's and his wife and him do it, and at the moment the work in progress, as you see, all the everything covered is going on. The kitchen, oh my goodness, he's done it. The kitchen is the ceiling has been plastered, and yes, well, things will get back to normal. And yes, with my beautiful Roy Castle beautiful wooden chairs. Yes, well, we don't look at the mess, do we?
No, not plastic.
There we go. So he's done this ceiling while we were having our lunch. Oh, it's only lunchtime, and look at this. Good. Yes. And that is a heat detector, which is better than it's the Welsh standard. They have heat detectors, which tell you if there's a fire in the kitchen.
Oh, right. So
it's a higher standard than England. Apparently, the electrician being from Wales told me that. So I have got fire alarms, but in the house, but I've also got a heat detector, which is higher standard. So it's really, he's a professional. Yeah, he's professional. And I said, oh, I want what the Welsh have then. Yes. And diolch yn fawr.
Croeso.
Yeah,
Croeso means welcome.
Exactly.
Croeso means you're welcome.
Welcome. You say that when you say thank you.
Yeah, see someone says diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much. You'd say croeso.
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 Roll the R's.
Yes.
Croeso.
I'll practice afterwards.
We'll get me sponge.
Oh, yeah, that's enough video for today.